What's up, plant lovers? I'm Devin Wallien. Welcome to Plant Vibrations. I'm here with my flamingo flower, the Anthurium andranum, and it's blooming beautifully. It's absolutely thriving. It's thriving so much so that it is time for a division, propagation by division. That is the way to propagate Anthurium. They don't produce nodes like things like philodendron or monstera, which allow for stem cuttings, but rather they need to be divided at certain points in time, because as they grow and mature, they will create new little shoots out of the soil that can be cut right out, divided, and planted elsewhere to propagate them. And it's really important to do when your plants get super dense to actually do this, just like we would like bearded iris out in our garden, because it opens up airflow, it creates a nicer looking plant. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in this video. So as you can see right here, we got 1, 2, 3 shoots that are coming out. So this is what we're looking for. Now, once you have something that looks like this, we're gonna take like a knife or something and try to go around the plant. You'll probably cut through some roots. That's okay. I can hear and feel them. And then we're just gonna gently pull it out. There we go. You can leave as much of that soil material in there as you'd like. Now, ideally, I wouldn't generally like to do it while it's flowering, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. All right, the next thing, I got like a big salad bowl, some sort of bowl. And I'm going to take it, I'm going to wash the roots off. And I'm actually going to fill up this bowl with some water. I'm going to start gently massaging, trying to get all of that soil free. And what you're also doing is you're kind of untangling the roots. You don't have to use water, but it really helps. Now what's going to happen is these roots are going to untangle, and I promise you, these are going to start to separate naturally. So just, I'm using my thumbs and I'm kind of just like flaring those roots out. Getting them really nice and untangled. And look, it's starting to separate. Keep going a little longer. Shake it up. And eventually, oh, you can see, look, it's coming apart. Beautiful. And I could do this one too. And maybe you probably couldn't hear it, but I did just break that off on accident. You can see I broke that off, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. Now I have these 3 beautiful, healthy plants. So propagation is really that easy. It's waiting for your plant to be in the right state before you propagate. So what you can do now, I'm gonna take this guy, I'm gonna just plant him right back in here. Nothing fancy about it. And you might need to add in a little bit of extra soil since we did take some out. And of course, give it some fresh water. So of course, when you're planting up these little baby guys, you want to use good high quality indoor potting mix. This is what I'm using. It's a great blend. It's got like cocoa coir, perlite, aged bark, great drainage while also retaining water. But it's really important that when you're planting up new guys like this, like all of our tropical houseplants, we want to keep them in pretty snug containers. So this is a 3.5-inch pot. Fill it up about halfway. Get those roots in there. And then fill it back up. And once you have it nice and full, we'll give it some water, let it bubble up. And sink back down. And if you're having trouble like keeping it upright, you can use like an old chopstick and put it into the soil. And that'll give it a little bit of support. You can even use something like floral tape or just like a twist tie from bread to basically keep it upright. It's like a mini moss pole basically. Not necessary, but can be helpful. I do it from time to time. And I'll just gently pack it in there. And voila, now you have another brand new plant. I gotta say, I love propagating Anthurium by division like this. It's super satisfying because it's immediate. You don't have to put it in water, wait for months for it to grow roots, transplant it, da-da-da-da-da. No, you can get brand new plants just like this, super quick. Took like 5 minutes. If you do have any further questions or comments, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you do find yourself having continual questions, consider becoming a member of our YouTube channel. It gives you access to a private chat room where you can ask me questions, send pictures, send audio, send videos, and I respond to each and every one of them, generally with audio messages, so that I can give a lot of detail to help you grow whatever you're having problems with. Anyways, thanks for joining me here on Plant Vibrations. I'll catch you soon. Ciao.